We'll guide you through how to select by color in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Inkscape application on your desktop. Once it's open, you need to import or create the image or vector graphic that you want to work with. Now to select by color, look at the right side of the toolbar and find the fill and stroke panel. If it's not visible, go to the top menu and click on object, then select fill and stroke to open it in this panel. Switch to the fill tab if it's not already selected. This is where you'll see the color options for your selected object. Now ensure that the object you want to select by color is clicked on the canvas. Then in the fill and stroke panel, you'll notice a small eyedropper icon. Click on this eyedropper to activate the color picker tool. With the color picker active, click on the color in your image that you want to select. This will automatically select all objects in your project that match this color. This is a powerful feature for making bulk color changes or isolating certain elements by color. It's especially useful when working with complex designs or when you need to maintain consistency across multiple elements. If you want to refine your selection, consider using the edit menu and choosing select same, then fill color to ensure everything of that color is included. This can be useful if the eyedropper doesn't catch everything at once. And that's it. You've now mastered selecting by color in Inkscape. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.